Happy Tuesday, boys and girls. It is Spirit Week Hat Day. Wear your favorite hat. And we are going to continue with our All About book that we started yesterday. So yesterday, we came up with a topic, the playground. We touched and told what we wanted to put on each page. And we drew a picture that taught about our topic. So today, we are going to continue to draft. Okay, so we had an idea, we planned, and we drafted. We're going to add labels and a sentence to every page. Okay, so watch me as I am all about the playground. So I'm going to put the playground. All about the playground. Written and illustrated by Miss Allen. So remember, you are choosing your own topic for your All About book. So whatever your topic is, you're going to put there, and then you're going to put your name. On page 1, I wanted to teach my friend about the slide. And here I have my slide, and I'm going to label slide. Slide. Right? Slide. And I wanted to say, this is the slide. Okay? So make sure if you don't know how to spell your sight words, which you should already know, you have your sight word cards. And I'm going to put this is the. Okay? So this is the and slide. So let's write that in. Okay? This finger space, right, is the slide. Period. Okay. On our second page, or rather on my second page, I wanted to teach about the seesaw. So let's label seesaw. This is the seesaw. Okay. And I'm going to continue with my pattern sentence. This is the seesaw. Okay, so let's begin. This, remember we begin our sentences with an uppercase letter. This is the seesaw. Period. On the third page, I wanted to teach my friends that our school playground had a bench. So I'm going to label my bench. After we've gone on the slide, gone on the seesaw, we are so tired, we just need to sit and talk with our friends. Okay? So what do you think I'm going to put on this page? Do you remember the pattern that I'm using? Yes. This is the bench. Okay, so let's write that in. This is the bench. Okay, boys and girls, let's reread our book, because after we write, we need to read our book and make sure that we have a label and a sentence on every page. Okay? So let's go. All about the playground. I have my bench, my slide, my seesaw, written and illustrated by Miss Allen. My first page, page 1, I have the slide. And I used my sight words to help me write sentences. And I wrote, this is the slide. On my second page, I kept the pattern sentence. And I wrote, this is the seesaw. Look, they're happy, playing in the playground. And on my final page, this is the bench. Oh my goodness, boys and girls. We are almost finished with our All About book. Join me tomorrow where we reread our books and see if we need to fix anything up.